Hello, my name is Kassem Saadi. For this fall semester, our project was Culture Park in Mar Mikhail. The theme was Breaking Barriers, Adapt, Recover, and Restore. My concept was based on محاولة تحرير القطار, which is a concept connect with bus, how to connect Beirut or the Mar Mikhail train station with the past. I worked on the title of the project was layers, which means layers of culture. Each layers which represent the rail on our side, I represented as a culture for the site. As a layer, I mean I abstracted each layer to show the culture in the site Imam Khayyal and Lebanon and Beirut. First, in site analysis, I took pictures of old Mar Mikhail buildings in Beirut and Mar Mikhail and studied the facade of the buildings in Mar Mikhail. After that, I started abstracting the layers and managing them from the grid in the site. The main perspective of the project, I tried to show the rails that I recovered and used them to show the culture of the area of the site, as shown on the left of the page. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. I tried to show the existing buildings and the rails and how I reuse them in the concept, which is called layers. Second page, which is master plan, I highlighted the existing buildings in the site and how I use them to represent the concept. Second page, showing zoomed in master plan on the existing warehouse and how I used it for theaters and underground exhibition. Second page shows a basement floor for the warehouse, for the existing warehouse, and showing the theaters, the underground, and the underground exhibition. Third page shows the plans for theaters and section. Two theaters, each 250 person. There's diagrams, explode diagrams for the two theaters and section showing the warehouse, the existing warehouse, and the relation between the warehouse and the uh, theaters. The main theater will be constructed under the rails in the side to show the relation between the concert hall and the rails, which will be a social space, a public space for people. The exhibition on the reading pavilion, I used the exhibition to show the arches and the culture of people. The exhibition space was uh, relocated from the existing site in the culture space, while the pavilion is an existing building. I used it as a reading pavilion. And last, the market. The market was used as a layer from the existing building that I used as a reading pavilion to make it to make it a space for people to go.